Good good day everyone and welcome to day 13 of our capacity building training on ICT organized by Hammad Technologies and Consultancy Limited. Today's lesson will be a theory class where we will focus on understanding some important features on Microsoft Word. Before we begin, we will do a quick recap of what you learned yesterday in the 12. Then we will learn about shortcut keys in the computer. After that, we will have our question and answer season. And finally, we will end with our conclusion. So yesterday in day 12, we learned about two important menu bars in Microsoft Word, the design menu bar and the layout menu bar. The design menu bar is used to make your document look more attractive, and the layout menu bar is used to control the page setup. And you also had a practical season where you practice using both menu bars. So now we will move to our today's topic, which is shortcut keys. So here are some common shortcut keys and what they do. We will start with A, which is Control A. Control A means select all or highlight all. It will select everything on the page at once. For example, if you want to copy the whole report, press Ctrl plus A to highlight it. So it will highlight all the page. All A means all. So Ctrl plus A means highlight or select all. Then Ctrl B, bold text. It will make your text thicker or darker. For example, if you want to bold the heading of your report, you can press Ctrl plus B to bold the text. Then Ctrl C, copy. It will make you will make by pressing Ctrl C. It will make a copy of the selected text. Maybe if you want to select some particular part of your document, you will select the exact text or name or anything that you want to copy. Then press Ctrl C, it will copy the text. Then Ctrl plus D, font dialog box. It will open the box to change font type and size. Then Ctrl plus E, center align text. If you want to move text to the center of the page, for example, if you want to centralize the heading of your document, you can press Ctrl E to centralize it. Then Control plus F, which is find. If you are searching for a word in your document, you can press Control V. It will open the search menu where you will type what you want to search, and then it will search for you. Then Control G, go to. Control G, go to. If you want to jump to a specific page or section, for example, if you want to go directly to some page, maybe let's say page 5, so you can press Control G. Then Control plus H, which is replace. If you want to find a word and change it to another word, let's say, for example, if you want to change all the clinic name to, if you want to change the name clinic to hospital, so you can press Control H to replace the clinic with hospital. So then Control I, which is a italic. If you want to make your text slant, for example, if you want to italic the word, maybe let's say your hospital name or anything, so you can press Control I by highlighting the text, then press Control I, it will slant the word for you. Then Control J, which is justify. If you press Control plus J, it will make both left and right side straight. For example, making your report paragraph neat and straight on both sides. So you can press Control J. Then Control K. Insert hyperlink. If you want to add a clickable link to a website, for example, link to your hospital website, you can press Control K to do that. Then Control L, left align text. If you want to move your text to the left side, so you can press Control L. Then Control M, indent. Control N, indent, tab, which means tab. If you want to move a text a little inside from the left, for example, indent a paragraph under a header, so you can press Control M to indent your text. The next one is Control N. If you want to open a new blank page, new document, so you can press Control N to open a new document page. Or for example, if you want to start a new report, then you can press Control N to open a new document. Then Control O, open file. If you want to open a set document, for example, you want to open last week patient list, so you can press Control O to open the file. Then Control P if you want to print your document. So you can press Control P, it will open the print options. Then Control Q, line spacing. It will make the space between lines closer. For example, if you want to make your lines closer to another, so you can press Control Q to make space or to go or not to make a space the option. So that's for Control Q. Then Control R, right align text. If you want to move text to the right side, for example, right aligned the dates on the letter or the heading. So you can press Control R to align it to the side. Then Control S, save. If you want to save your document or your work, you can press Control S. For example, if you want to, yes, like I said, if you want to save your document, you can press Control S, it will save it. Then Control T, left indentation. This means if you want to push the text inside from the left side, so you can press Control T to shift your to shift your text from the left hand side. Then Control U if you want to underline. For example, if you want to draw a line under a text, like signature, under signature or heading or anything you want, so you can select the area, then press Control U, it will underline the place. And then Control V, which is paste. If you want to place what you copy or cut, for example, pasting the copied patient name on another page. So if you want to paste anything that you have copied, so you can press Control V to paste that. Then Control plus W, close. If you want to close the current document, for example, if if you want to close the report after saving it, so you can just press Control W, it will close it. And then Control X, which is cut. If you want to remove any text and keep it ready to paste, so you can press Control X. It will cut that that text. So then Control Y, redo last action. Redo. If you press Control Y, it will bring back what you have deleted. What you have deleted, what you have undid. For example, um, for example, redo the paragraph you just undid. So then the last one is Control Z, which is undo last action. For example, canceling the last action you did. For example, if you want to undo deleting a paragraph. Let's say if you deleted something by mistake, you can click Control Z to undo that. So we are done for today. We are done for shortcut keys. So if you have any question, please you can go ahead and ask. Please, any question? Any question? Please, if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the chat. Any question? Any question? Please, is there practical season on shortcut keys? Yes, on Monday, inshallah. On Monday, there is a practical for these shortcut keys. Any question? Oh, you said mark Control D. Control D is font dialog box. Open a box to change font type and size. Font type, size, and color. That's for Control D. Any question? Please, if you have any question, please go ahead. Please try to practice those keys daily so you can become faster and more confident when using the Microsoft Word. So since there is no question again, I think we can close for today. Thank you all for your attention and active participation, and well done everyone. So